This course consists of two main parts, Axure RP 10 and UX design. The Axure RP 10 part includes Axure RP 10 basics, Axure cases, and Axure project cases. Axure RP 10 basics cover the basic features and operations of Axure RP 10 that you need to know. Axure cases include more than 40 cases for making a variety of common mobile and desktop components and interfaces. Project cases include web and mobile end projects. In the web end project, you will create a login interface that includes username and password verification, a registration interface with a countdown interaction, and in the backend page, you will create the top and left navigation. You will also learn to create data-driven prototypes, create a table through repeaters, add, edit, and delete table items, search by category, sort, and paginate. In the mobile project case, you will create login and registration interfaces. In the registration interface, if you click the register button, the entered username will be passed to the home page. You will also create interfaces for phone number and third-party login. On the home page, you will create 3 tabs. Under the Language tab, you will create a parent-child navigation. Under the Products tab, you will create a carousel and a list of items that can slide left and right. Under the Moment tab, you will make a list with the repeater. The items on this list can be shared, liked, and commented on. In the UX design part, there are the following: UX design and UX designer, design process, user research, competitive analysis, ideate, design objectives, information architecture, flow and prototype design, design psychology, design principles, design specifications, widget libraries, design patterns, design tools, design verification, UX portfolios, and design trends.